for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go! This is yeah, this is it. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, it's about to break. Got what it's gonna take. Go ahead and on that stage. Let's go. When you're made for this, yeah, it's obvious. Top another list. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go!
Once again, our beautiful habitat, Miss Ayesha Jaden Zacalos. Pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay ng ating nabita. That is no other than her parents. Kaya naman po everybody, let's give a round of applause for Mr. Arnel and Cheryl Zacalos. Alright, ang ating napakagwapo at napakagandang parents. So, bago po natin tawagin, of course, ang ating debutant, let's know about her more. Yan. She was born on September 16, 2007. 26, 2007 at East Avenue Medical Center in Quezon City at exactly 4:52 a.m. with 5.8 lbs. She is the only child of Mr. Arnel and Cheryl Zacalos. She is currently grade 12 student of Information Communication Technology at La Concepcion College. She really likes dancing, reading, and watching movies. So yan, are you guys ready to meet our beautiful debutant? Ay, parang hindi kayo sabik. Are you guys ready to meet our beautiful and dazzling debutant? Alright, without further ado, let's give a round of applause for our beautiful debutant, Miss Ayesha Jaden Zacalos. Once again, our beautiful habitat, Miss Ayesha Jaden Zacalos. And to formally start our program, I would like to invite everyone to please rise. Tumayo po tayo for our opening prayer that will be held by Mel Zacalos. Ang pinakagwapong tito ng ating debutant.
Happy birthday, Jay. Wish ko sa'yo,
Gikas daw.
Pagpatuloy mo na yung ano mo, yung ano yan? Pag-aaral mo at saka paging mabait mong bata. Still pretty. God bless.
Ang mas galanting tito ng ating debutant, Mr. Bong Nicalos.
Mapapa-vlogger AJ, picture. Yan.
Ang beauty pincer ng ating debutant, Mr. Irvin Dalcalos.
Pinaamoy ako. Bakit na lang
Mr. James
I'm giving you away, but I'm not letting go. Memories that flood my mind of a little girl I know. Once upon a time, you held my hand so tight. Close your eyes and say a prayer, then I'd kiss your head goodnight. And as we dance, I keep our love deep within my heart. And thank God for giving me this angel in my arms. You're my little angel, so baby, don't you cry. It's time to spread your wings and fly. If there's one thing this father knows, the hardest part is letting go. But you will still always be your daddy's little angel. Seems like
Once again, palakpakan po natin our debutant
so fast.
and her father, Mr. Arnel Dalcalos. Mr. Mr. Christian Basales.
Kita yung bunga eh.
Isa pa lang umiyak yung tatay.
Ayaw magagdusan mo.
Tayo patalamin ako.
Mr. Roger Basales.
Sige.
Mr. Andriel Maato.
Na lolo.
Ang ating debutant, Mr. Francis Gonzalez.
Ako pala kagad, di mo alam? Hindi ko alam no.
Mr. Ivan Dacalos.
Mamaya ko naman yun.
And Mr. Joshua Nicolas.
Nadamay na naman ang mga yan.
Good boy kuya na ating debutant, Mr. Glex Dacalos. Mr. The best kuya ng ating debutant, Ivan Dacalos.
Siguro nakapila sa bawat taas.
Mr. Emil Reyes.
Ako na pag-ulit pa pala nakahabol pa. Sabi na.
I'm giving you away, but I'm not letting go. Memories that flood my mind of the little girl I know. Once upon a time, you held my hand so tight.
Si AJ oh. Iiyak si AJ oh.
Close your eyes and say a prayer, then I'd kiss your head goodnight. And as we dance, I keep our love deep within my heart. And thank God for giving me this angel in my arms. You're my little angel, so baby, don't you cry. It's time to spread your wings and fly. If there's one thing this father knows, the hardest part is letting go. You'll still always be your daddy's little angel. It seems like
Once again, palakpakan po natin our debutant
so fast.
and her mother, Mr. Arnel Dacalos.
Happy birthday, Gigi. Sana marami pa rin.
Gigi!
Darating sa'yo.
Sabi niya kung wala pa iinumin eh. Si AJ yan. Pinainom niyo na naman, ang aga pa.
Pinainom na.
Sa lahat ng gagawin niyo. Puntahan dito lang ako. Happy birthday, Tay.
Hindi pala umiyak ni Jen, yung kabala.
Si Mama?
Oo.
Sabi niya, parang iiyak ko. Sabi, kinakabahan ako.
Happy 18th birthday. Thank you for
Hindi si Bryce.
part of this
Si
event,
Hernandez
for
yan.
being
Yan si Bryce si
18th
Hernandez.
And welcome to adult stage. And marami kang may encounter ng mga pagsubok, mga challenges. So, always pray lang. And as advice to your parents, families, cousins, at dito lang kami palagi. And more blessings, opportunities, and good luck sa path na pagkahapin mo. And so, kung ano yung para sa'yo, and kung ano yung para sa'yo.
Ako rin. Kaya ko din. Kaya ko din ginawa.
Ang pinakagalanting tito ng ating gawitan, Mr. Nelson Dakalo.
Mama niya yung pataasan. Mataas yan ah.
Tapos mo ganyan din? Pagdating ng birthday, hindi mo? Lahat ng babae nakagalitan ganyan. Bakit tomboy ka? Ayaw mo ha?
Mr. Kian Lastimata. Mr. Hashnan Gabumpa.
Because in life, stay grounded, be humble, and enjoy life.
Grounded. Grounded yung ano, pinagkuhaan. Hindi, Elmar, grounded.
Next we have Joy.
Wala nga yung Roblox na mura po. Kasi mama, walang hindi ko may internet kami. Wala kami internet na 2 oras.
Sana tuloy-tuloy ka sa pag-aaral mo.
Atiis namin eh.
Puro galap.
Ay, siyempre lang ako.
Enjoy your day and shall stay happy.
Ano wala?
And
Yung
good
ano
luck
sir.
sa mga quizzes at exam.
Hindi.
Wish you all the best.
Alam mo yun.
God bless, love you. Magpakabait ka lang. Oh, salamat. Patayin mo pag-aaral.
Wish ko sa'yo, always good health, and advice, always be yourself. Nandito kami always for you. Happy birthday again.
Wish ko sa iyo sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Siyempre, good health din palagi. And always makinig kay mama and dada. Enjoy your life. Happy birthday.
Next we have Elaine Cabral.
Wish ko sa'yo matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. Tapos, ayun, sinabi na nila lahat, makinig kay mama at kay dada mo. Tapos, bukod dun sa makatapos ka pag-aaral mo, wish ko din na sumali ka sa beauty pageant para may daanos na beauty queen. Yay! Happy birthday, Jay. Love you.
AJ, happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na, mas alagaan ang sarili ha. At laging makikinig kay mama at papa, aral ng mabuti. Saka sila namin sabihin kahit di mo kami lagi nakikita. Pag may gusto kang sabihin, secret, lalo na pag sabay, ako sabihin. Secret natin kay mama at papa mo yun. Joke lang! Joke lang! Hanggat maaari lahat nung gusto mo na gagawin iniisip, mas dapat ang unang makakalam ang mama at papa. Ha? We love you! AJ!
Aki, ikaw na next. Aki, ikaw na next.
Hello, AJ. Happy birthday. Wow, balaga ka na.
Bago lang yan.
Solanap ka rin ba tayo?
Huwag kang humintong mangarap. Pagpatuloy mo lang na mag-try sa lahat ng bagay. Hanggang sa malaman mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo. Huwag mong kakalimutan na maraming gumagabay, mamahal, at sumusuport sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Dito kami ni...
Happy birthday, AJ. Ano ko na, enjoy mo yung 18 mo. Mag-aral. Siyempre, chillax. Kailangan. Lagi makikinig kay mama mo at kay papa. Yun lang.
Next we have
Naalala mo, di ba, nung nag-celebrate tayo ng 7th birthday mo? Parang kailan lang yun, di ba?
Naiiyak agad.
Ngayon, ikaw ay 18 years old na, nag-celebrate ulit tayo on your 8th birthday. Ngayon, nakikita ko, ang laki ng pinag-iba mo. Dati you're magandang, hindi okay lang. Pero ngayon nakikita mo, ang ganda-ganda mong talaga. Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana pagputihan mo na yung pag-aaral para makatapos ka para sa iyong magandang
Kinikilig ka
future.
yata eh.
Tandaan mo lagi yan. Tapos, lagi mo din tatandaan, laging sumunod sa mga payo ni mama at ni papa at laging maging mabait na bata para yun sa iyong ikabubuti. Again, happy birthday and I love you.
blow the candle. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Jay. Itong candle na to, sana magsilbi siyang ilaw sa next journey mo sa buhay. Then, ngayong 18 ka na, masasabi ko lang huwag kang masyadong magmadaling tumanda. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay. And ayun, naging makinig kay
Tapos
mama at
butas sa
dada
dila mo,
mo.
magiging as yung dila mo.
Happy birthday.
Ano siya ito? Ano siya?
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. This is it.